Right, hey you guys. So today I'm gonna be giving away this pineapple gummy. That's all there is. That's all you get. Because it needs to get out of my face. I can't have any sugar. I've given it up. And this pineapple is taunting me. I'm also going to be giving away the pineapple whip kit. The pineapple whip kit. So you saw me do a mani with it last video, and I got 2, so I wanted to give you guys 1. And you're also going to be getting the stamping station, and you can try out manis on the page, write down all the plates you used, all the polishes that you used. So when you do your favorite mani and you want to be sure you remember it, or like me, you're going to be posting on Instagram and you need to remember everything you used, you can put it down here and have it all ready to go. You peel up the paper, and underneath is a big sheet of tape that you can use to clean your stamper head with. So I love mine. I use it all the time. I just take the paper off and I write down on it, and then as I'm working, I've got it sitting over the side and I clean my stamper head on it. So the pineapple whip kit comes with their new stamper head, and it's so cute. Now I put some clear gel over mine because I didn't want the pineapple like rubbing off or getting acetone on it. These new ones, everybody that complains about not being able to pick up with the ice cube stampers, the regular ones, these are a little stiffer and they are not quite as sticky as this. This one is so soft, and it is stickier than the other ones, but to be honest, you guys, it's not the stamper, it's you. So watch my tips and tricks on how to stamp if you have issues with these. It's a great help for beginners. It gives you every tip I know about picking up a stamp with the stampers and putting it on your nails, and everything you need to know about using those and others. So do not throw away those stiffer ones, because those are really handy for straight lines, any place that you have or images that you want to use that have a straight line. They get wonky if you use too soft a stamper. You have trouble, like when you're trying to do a plaid, you can forget it with a soft stamper. It is so hard. Even if you're doing a decal, it's so hard to keep that line straight. You need a stiffer stamper for that. And sometimes you just come across plates or polishes that will not pick up with one stamper, they will with another. Okay, so keep that in mind when you think you're gonna trash your stampers and, you know, get rid of all the old ones, because you got this cool sticky one. It is cool. I do love it. So I want to highlight this week Patties Polished Corner. She Modern has sent me some things. Now I ordered a bunch of stuff. I ordered a bunch of some water slides, and I ordered glitter, and I ordered grip gel. And Tina at She Modern is so sweet, and she threw in extras for me. She threw in these neon powders and some of the powder glue that you can use. You mix it with water and you've got it's binding powder. You've got foil glue, glitter glue. She also sent me the glue gel. And then this is super cool. I've already used a few of them. She gave me my name. Isn't that neat? So you can custom all these, you can custom foils. You can get your name, a certain number. I mean, I don't know, a saying, a phrase. She'll print them on foils. I also ordered these. And then she sent happy birthday in a couple of different colors. I thought that was super sweet. And then I ordered one color. I ordered just the black, I think, and she sent me another color. So that was awfully sweet. She always sends extras. And you also always get a little palette to do your stuff on, a little plastic palette. What else? Oh, you also always get a reusable stencil that you can use to make French manis or different little designs or straight lines. That's really helpful. And then also I ordered, this one is number 5. It is also a reusable stencil. I'm stuttering, I don't know why. And so I'm going to be using some of this today to show you some a couple of different ideas to do. And then I also wanted to say, so you need to go to Patties Polished Corner. Her link will be below. Give her some love. You know the process. Come back here. Tell me which video of hers you like. Whether or not you're already subscribed to her, you don't have to subscribe to her. You do have to subscribe to me. And like this video, like one of her videos, tell me which one you liked, and then you'll be automatically entered in the giveaway. And I'm sorry, there is no international for this one, but I will be having another international. This is US only. I also wanted to give a shout out to Pumkins Nail Station and Manisha. Both of those ladies have taught me so much, all 3 of them, about She Modern and what to do and how to use this stuff, because I really didn't have a clue. And I've been watching them and, you know, piling this stuff up in my little bitty brain. All right, now's the point where there probably isn't a whole lot of you left. They're all off getting what they need to get to enter. But if you have stuck around to watch the disaster that I made this into, you're going to get a little extra if you win. Now the vinyls work great, the glitter works great, the slides, the water slides are gorgeous, and I liked my design up until I started putting too much on. So this is what I did to my nails. I don't know, maybe it's the teal and the yellow I didn't like together. I loved it on the white, but I just didn't like this particular yellow. I think it just looked like too much. I'm just putting a little drop, picking up these foils with my stamper after they've, you know, unstuck from the paper. It just takes a few seconds. This is where it kind of went, I don't like it anymore. I like the white nail though. So I loved the She Modern. They did great. Fantastic. They performed just as I thought they would. This little trick you can use with any kind of powders or pigments, and it works pretty great. Not so much on glitters. Glitters, it's a little harder to get this to work. You really have to get the excess glitter off your stamper. Anyway, I'm not going to be posting this mani because I think it's ugly. So big shout out and thank you so much to She Modern for all the extras that they sent me, and all those extras they always send everyone, and they all performed fantastic for me, and I really appreciate that. So in the comments below, besides commenting about what Pattie's videos you like, also tell me, I don't know, how about if you have a dog, a cat, or neither, or a bird? Tell me what kind of pet you have, or if you don't, and you're gonna get something extra if you win, just for sticking around checking out this ugly. Okay, see, that one's pretty. Thanks you guys. Thumbs down on the rest. Love you. Bye. Okay, tell us your name.
Piper.
Yeah, what did you want on your nails?
A butterfly and star.
What color did you want?
Rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow. And we did butterflies and fruit. Okay, you like them? Mm-hmm. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, okay, hey, let me kiss this. Oh, you turd. Lucas. Ah, evil baby.
You didn't even do that.
Evil baby. Bye. I'm going. I really am. I'm taking these and I'm leaving.
No, I blew you one kiss. That's all you get. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.